Hello students, welcome on my channel Smart Study. This video is based on MCQ quiz on The Best Christmas Present Chapter 1 Honeydew. Without delay, let's start our MCQ quiz. Who is the writer of the story The Best Christmas Present? Options are Michael Morpurgo, Rudyard Kipling, Ruskin Bond, H.P.S. Ahluwalia. The writer of the story The Best Christmas Present is Michael Morpurgo. Let's discuss other options also. Rudyard Kipling is the writer of How the Camel Got His Hump, while Ruskin Bond is the writer of A Short Monsoon Diary. H.P.S. Ahluwalia of The Summit Within. Who is Jim Macpherson? Let's see the options. A British soldier and husband of Connie, a German soldier, the narrator, or the last option, none of the above. Jim Macpherson was a British soldier and husband of Connie. Option 1 is the correct answer of this question. Who is Connie? Options are wife of Mr. Jim or Mrs. Jim Macpherson. Second option, wife of narrator. Third option, she is the narrator. Or fourth option, both 1 and 3. Connie is the wife of Mr. Jim. That's why she has been mentioned as Mrs. Jim Macpherson several times in the story. What did the narrator find in a junk shop? Options are an old roll-top desk on sale. Second, a new roll-top desk. Third, a study table. Fourth, a chair. You will be confused between option 1 and option 2. But the right answer is option 1. Narrator found an old roll-top desk which was in a very bad condition and was put on a sale in a junk shop at Bridport. Next question is, where did the narrator find the roll-top desk? Given options are in a shop, in a junk shop, in a junk shop at Bridport, in a gift shop. The narrator found the roll-top desk in a junk shop at Bridport. Option 1 and 2 can also be the answer of this question, but the most appropriate answer is option 3, in a junk shop at Bridport. Roll-top desk was first option, very expensive. Second option, cheap. Narrator bought it for very little money. Third option, both 1 and 2. Fourth option, none of the above. Roll-top desk was in a very bad condition. It was damaged by fire and water. That's why it was very cheap and the narrator bought it for very little money from a junk shop. What damaged the roll-top desk? Fire and water, wind and rain, termites, or the last option, all of the above. The roll-top desk was damaged by the fire and water since there were scorch marks, burn marks on the roll-top desk. Correct answer is option 1, fire and water. The roll-top desk was made of options are oak, bamboo, maple, or mahogany. It is mentioned in the textbook that the roll-top desk was made of oak. Where did the narrator repair the desk? In his workroom, at the back of the garage, in his own shop, in his bedroom, or at his home. The narrator repaired the desk in his workroom, which was situated at the back of the garage. First option is the right answer. When did the narrator begin to repair the desk? On Christmas, on his birthday, on Connie's birthday, or on Christmas Eve. The narrator began to repair the desk on Christmas Eve. Option 4 is the right answer of this question. Choose the most appropriate meaning of the word veneer. A thin layer of plastic or decorative wood on furniture of cheap wood. Second option, deer. Third option, deer. Fourth option, teddy bear. The correct answer is option 1. Veneer is a thin layer of plastic or decorative wood on furniture of cheap wood. What did the narrator find in the last drawer? A secret drawer, or letter, or money, or nothing? The narrator found a secret drawer in the last drawer while repairing the roll-top desk. What did the narrator find in a secret drawer? A small black tin box, a piggy bank, or a letter. The narrator found a secret drawer in a last drawer, and inside a secret drawer there was a small black tin box. The answer of this question is option 1. What was written on the black tin box? Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday to you, Jim. Either 1 or 2. Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1950. To be buried with me when the time comes. The correct answer of this question is option 4. Jim's last letter received January 25, 1950. To be buried when the time comes. This message was written on the lined notepaper and sellotaped on the box. What did the narrator find inside the box? Was it an envelope, a letter, a diary, or a diamond ring? The narrator found an envelope inside the black tin box. The correct answer is option 1. The letter was written in marker, sketch pen, pencil, or crayons color. Correct answer is third option, pencil. Letter was written in pencil. Before moving ahead, let's revise important points. In the last drawer of the roll top desk, there was a secret drawer. In that secret drawer, there was a small tin black box. On that tin box, a piece of lined notepaper was sellotaped and a message was written. The message written on the notepaper was, Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. Inside the tin box, there was an envelope. And inside that envelope, there was a letter. This letter was written by Mr. Jim McPherson for his wife, Connie. When was the letter written? December 26, 1914, January 25, 1915, January 1, 1915, January 26, 1915. Correct answer of this question is option 1, December 26, 1914. Who had written letter to whom? The letter was written by the narrator to his wife. Second option. The letter was written by the narrator for Mrs. Jim. Third option. Letter was written by Jim McPherson to his wife Connie. Fourth option. Either one or two. The letter was written by Mr. Jim McPherson to Mrs. Jim McPherson, his wife Connie. What does Fritz refer to? Options are Fritz is a name for German soldier or a name for British soldier. Third option, Fritz is a nickname of Jim. Fourth option, Fritz is a nickname of Mrs. Jim. The German and British soldiers had given name to each other. Fritz was a name for German soldier, while Tommy was a name for British soldier. Therefore, answer of this question is option 1, a name for German soldier. What is a schnapps? Let's have a look on the options. Is it a German drink made from grain? Second, a computer app. Third, name of a gun. Fourth, none of the above. Schnapps is a German drink made from the grain. Option 1 is the right answer. What is a cello? Is it a musical instrument like a large violin, or a sellotape, a cello pen, or a battery cell? A cello is a musical instrument which resembles a large violin. Who wished Happy Christmas, Tommy, to whom? First option, Connie wished Happy Christmas, Tommy, to his husband. Second option, Mr. Jim wished Happy Christmas, Tommy, to Mrs. Jim. Third option, Mr. Jim wished Happy Christmas, Tommy, to the narrator. Fourth option, Fritz, the German soldiers, wished Happy Christmas, Tommy, to the British soldiers. Fritz, the German soldiers, wished Happy Christmas, Tommy, to the British soldiers. The correct answer is option 4. Whom did Jim meet on the day of Christmas? Options are his childhood friend. Second, Hans Wolf. Third, a doctor. Fourth, a singer. Jim met Hans Wolf on the day of Christmas, who was a Fritz officer. Option 2 is the right answer. Name the favorite writer and favorite book of Hans Wolf. Options are favorite writer Thomas Hardy, favorite book Far from the Madding Crowd. Second option, favorite writer J.K. Rowling, favorite book Harry Potter. Third option, favorite writer Enid Blyton, favorite book Famous Five. Fourth option, favorite writer Ruskin Bond and favorite book Great Stories for Children. Correct answer of this question is option 1. Hans Wolf's favorite writer was Thomas Hardy, while favorite book was Far from the Madding Crowd. What jobs did Hans Wolf and Jim have when they were not soldiers? Options are Hans Wolf used to play cello in an orchestra while Jim was a school teacher. Second option, Hans Wolf was a school teacher while Jim used to play cello in an orchestra. Students, you will be confused between options 1 and 2, while option 3 and 4 are completely wrong. Option 1 is the correct answer. Hans Wolf used to play cello while Jim was a school teacher. What places did Jim and Hans Wolf belong to? First option, Jim belonged to Manchester, while Hans Wolf to Berlin. Second, Jim belonged to Birmingham, while Hans Wolf to Hamburg. Option, Jim belonged to Dorset, while Hans Wolf to Dusseldorf. Fourth option, not mentioned in the textbook. Correct answer is option 3. Jim belonged to Dorset, while Hans Wolf to Dusseldorf. What is marzipan? Let's see the options. A sweet covering on a cake made from sugar, eggs and almonds. Second option, a frying pan. Third option, chocolate. Fourth option, dry fruit. Marzipan is a sweet covering on a cake which is made from sugar, eggs and almonds. First option is the right answer. Why did the author go to Bridport? To meet Connie and deliver the letter of his husband, which he had found in the secret drawer of the roll-top desk. Second, to have a cup of tea with Connie. Third, to eat cake with marzipan made by Connie. Fourth, none of the above. Author went to Bridport to meet Connie and deliver the letter of his husband, which he had found in the secret drawer of the roll-top desk. How old had Connie become when the author went to meet her? Had she become 101 years old, 50 years old, 20 years old, or 70 years old? Connie had become 101 years old when the author went to meet her and deliver the letters of her husband. Who did Connie think her visitor was? She thought that the visitor was her husband, her childhood friend, a postman, none of the above. Connie mistook the visitor as her husband, which means that she thought that the visitor was her husband. Option 1 is the right answer. With this, we have come to the end of the video. But before leaving, I want to make a request to all my dear students. Hit the like button if you find this video beneficial to you. And also subscribe my channel for more videos on MCQ quiz of NCERT chapters. And let your friends know about me by sharing my videos with them. See you soon. Stay safe and stay motivated.